Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. You must have heard about the Supertech Twin Towers being demolished on the 28th of August 2022. So I will be giving you the brief understanding how the demolition is going to take place and what are the preparations done for the demolition. So let's begin. So I got the opportunity to meet Mr. Mayur Mehta, who is the project manager for the demolition. He's an employee for the Edifice Engineering Company. The Edifice Engineering Company is the company which is allotted for the demolition process. Now it's a very good well-trained company in the field of building demolitions. Now, this particular structure is located in the sector 93A of Noida. It comes under the Supertech Emerald Society. Now, this particular location is highly populated because there is a nearby society and there is an ongoing or functional expressway, which is the Greater Noida Expressway. So, the structure is very sensitive. So, the demolition has to take place in a particular perimeter. It cannot penetrate or cannot exceed that perimeter, so it's quite a challenging job. The building is 103-meter high, which is around 32 floors. It's a full RCC frame structure. There are two different towers in which the building is divided, and it's kind of in a curved shape. So now let's talk about the explosives. Explosives are being used to bring down the building to the ground, or you can say raise the building to the ground. So the explosives are installed in the basement, the ground floor, the first floor and the second floor, and after the second floor the explosives are installed in the alternative manner, for example like 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, so in such a way. Now this is all about the explosives. Now the explosives will work for 9 seconds. You must have heard in the news channels speaking that the building will come down in 9 seconds. No, that's not the case. The explosives will work for 9 seconds. The building will come down in a time interval of 1 to 13 seconds. So this is the time period in which the building will come down. For the preparation or for making sure that the flying debris does not come out from the building, there are certain measures which are being taken. A wire mesh of 3.15 mm is used and it's wrapped around the columns, so that whenever the explosives work, the wire mesh helps that the flying debris like the aggregates and all the things which are there, that does not fly off and hits off the other buildings which are nearby buildings. So this is the wire mesh which is used, and the second layer of protection is a non-woven geotextile material which is wrapped around the columns in 4 layers, so that if in case that a particular material from the wire mesh escapes it, so it can be cached in the geotextile material. The third layer of protection is that you must have seen that the building is covered in certain black and white curtains, or you can say textile. So that textile is basically non-woven geotextile material, which is the third layer of protection for catching the flying debris. And the fourth layer of protection is that the non-woven geotextile material is also you can say is also used to cover the buildings which are the adjacent buildings of the Supertech Emerald, so that if in case the third layer does not work, then in case of fourth layer, the flying debris can be catched in the next layer. So these are the 4 different kinds of layers in which the preparation or the precaution for the flying debris is taken. Now speaking about the vibration which can be caused because of the demolition of the building, as per different blast tests which are being conducted, there are various vibration values which are observed. So an assumed value of 25 to 33 mm per second is the vibration value which could be experienced while the demolition. And the structure is basically as I said, it has to fall under the perimeter. So an exclusion zone of 250 meters from the north, 250 meters from the south, 250 meters from the east, and 450 meters from the west is kept, so that a precaution zone is kept. At the time of demolition, nobody can be there in that particular region. The expressway will be shut down for around half an hour or something like that. So this is the procedure which is there for the demolition of the structure, and as per the engineers and as per the project manager, they are 100% confident that the structure will be safely demolished. So thank you everyone for watching.